Good morning, students. Today is our module 11 of the same chapter, rational number. This is lecture 11. Today we will be doing the topic finding out rational number between the two rational numbers. This is the last topic of this chapter. So, let us start this topic. For finding out the rational number between two rational numbers, we should know that there are infinite, means countless rational numbers are lying between any two rational numbers. So there are two methods for doing this. First type is mean method. It says that if x and y be are two rational numbers such that x is less than y, then x plus y by 2 is the rational number between x and y, where x plus y by 2 is the arithmetic mean of x and y. This method basically we will use when it is asked to find out a rational number, means a single rational number between the two rational number. Now let me explain this with an example. Here is the first example. In this it is written, find a rational number lying between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2, that we know, and we have to find out a rational number, means one rational number which is lying between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 we have to find out. So for that our x would be 1 by 3 and y is 1 by 2. For finding out this, what we will do the addition of these two number and we will divide it by 2. See here, we have added 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 and it is divided by 2 or multiplied by 1 by half. Both have the same meaning. Here we have solved this bracket and we got 5 by 6 as answer after solving this bracket, and if we will multiply these two we will get 5 by 12 as a answer. So this is the rational number which is lying, one of the rational number lying between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Although there are infinite number, but this is one of the number. Now let us do some more questions. Now exercise 1F, question number 1. In this we have to find out a rational number, means one number we have to find out between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. So x is 1 by 4 here and y is 1 by 3. So required number would be 1 by 2 x plus y. So here we have added x plus y and we will multiply it by 1 by 2. So after solving this we get 7 by 12 as the answer of this bracket, and we will multiply it by 1 by 2, or we will divide this by 2. Both are the same statement, and we will solve this, we will get 7 by 24. This is the required number. Now let us do the next question. Here, find a rational number between 2 and 3. Here both are the whole numbers and they are a rational number also. So x is 2 and y is 3. So 1 by 2 of x plus y, we will write it as this. This is our required number. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 5 is multiplied by half. So 5 by 2 is the required rational number between 2 and 3. So this is the method of finding out a rational number, means only one rational number we have to find out between two rational numbers. This is the type 1. So, and the next type is that when the two rational numbers are given and their denominators are different. For that we will use the type 2 by taking the denominator, by making the denominator same. How? So for this step 1 we will see the denominators of the given rational number. If they are not same, then take the LCM of the denominator, otherwise go to the step 3. We will see the step 3 first. If they are not same, then we have to find out the LCM. After finding out the LCM, we will do the step 2. We will make equivalent rational number where denominator will be equal to the LCM of the denominator, like we are already doing in case of a comparison of rational number. Same way we will make the equivalent rational number which are having the denominator is equal to LCM. So after doing this step, we will get two conditions. Condition 1, if the equivalent rational number are consecutive, and then we have to find out the exact number of rational number in between. Means if we will get 4 by 5, if we are having two rational number and we will get equivalent rational number as 4 by 20 and 5 by 20, and we have to find out the 5 rational number in between. So exactly 5 numbers we have to find out. In such cases we will follow this is the condition 1. In such cases we will multiply the numerator and after making the equivalent fraction equivalent rational number, we will multiply the numerator and denominator of both equivalent rational number by n plus 1, where n is the number of the required rational number. Suppose we have to find out the 6 rational number in between, then n is 6 and n plus 1 is 7. So this is the first method. I will explain you this with the example also. And our second condition would be, after taking the LCM, is that if the equivalent rational number are not consecutive, or they may be consecutive, and we have to find out any number of rational number. Means no specific number is given and we have to find out the rational number in between them. So in that case what we will do, multiply the numerator and denominator of both equivalent rational number by 10. So we can 10, 100, whatever is the requirement. So we can multiply numerator and denominator by 10 and we will find out the numbers between them. So I'll explain you this with an example. Here is the example 1. See, we have to find out the rational number between 4 by 5 and negative 1 by 4. Here x is 4 by 5 and y is, this is y. Negative 1 by 4 is y. So our step 1, here we will see the denominator are not same. So first step is we have to take the LCM of denominator 5 and 4. LCM is, the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Now we will make equivalent rational number. Here we are making the equivalent rational number. 4 by 5 we will make the denominator as 20. So 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So numerator is also multiplied by 4. So 16 by 20 is the equivalent rational number of this. Similarly we have taken out the equivalent rational number of 1 by 4 with denominator 20 as this. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Here numerator is also multiplied by 5. So negative 5 by 20 is the equivalent rational number. Now these two equivalent rational number are not consecutive in this case. So we can write the rational number between the given number or these two equivalent rational number. We can write both ways, or we will start writing in the descending order, like 16 by 20 in this block, then we will write down in descending order 15 by 20, 14 by 20 in this way up to the negative 5 by 20. So these are the rational numbers which are lying in between these two rational number. This is the first way of doing. Now let us do the next question. In this it is written, find 6 rational numbers between negative 2 by 3 and negative 5 by 6. Here we have to find out the exact 6 number. Here x is negative 2 by 3 and y is negative 5 by 3. This is x and this is y. Here also the denominators are not same. So step 1, we will take the LCM of 3 and 6. It is 6. Now we will make the equivalent rational numbers. See here. Here are the equivalent rational number of negative 2 by 3 and negative 5 by 6. Here we have to make the denominator is equal to LCM, that is 6. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 and numerator is also multiplied by 2. So negative 4 by 6 is the equivalent rational number of negative 2 by 3. Similarly, here negative 5 by 6. So we have to make the denominator 6 only. So we will multiply it by 1 and we will get the same number. Here see negative 4 by 6. Here it should be 6. By mistake I have written 5. Negative 4 by 6 and negative 5 by 6. Negative 4 by 6 and negative 5 by 6. These two numbers are consecutive numbers. Now what we will do in this case when the consecutive numbers are there after finding out the equivalent rational number? So we have to multiply this with some number. How? See, we have to find out the 6 rational numbers in between them. So n is 6 and n plus 1 is 7. For finding out the exact 6 numbers between negative 4 by 6 and negative 5 by 6, what we will do? We will do 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 7 to both the equivalent rational number so that we can make another equivalent rational number. Here the numerator is also multiplied by 7 and denominator is also multiplied by 7. So negative 4 by 7 is negative 28 and 6 by 7 is 42. Similarly, the negative 5 by 6 we will multiply it by 7, both numerator and denominator. So we will get negative 35 by 42. Now these are the two equivalent rational numbers. So for writing the 6 rational numbers between them, here we will start with negative 28 by 42 and this is the descending order we have written. See, when we will write this, we will get exactly the 6 rational number in between. This is one of the method. If we don't want to do in this method n plus 1 method, so the second method I have told you, we will multiply numerator by and denominator by 10 so that we can get the another equivalent rational number. Step 1 we will do as same. Here up to this step we will do same. Here it is 6. Up to this step we will do same, and after this step, instead of doing this step 2, what here, because we have multiplied by 7 numerator and denominator, now instead of this we can do this step also. In this step what we have done, these are the two equivalent rational number which were obtained in the step 1. If we, instead of 7, if we will multiply numerator and denominator by 10, this we can do to both the numbers, so we will get these two numbers as equivalent rational number. Here also for writing the rational number in between, we will write these numbers in descending order between negative 40 by 60 to negative 50 by 60. The denominator is 60 and we will write in reverse order the numerator like this. So these many rational numbers are in between negative 40 by 60 and negative 50 by 60. So any 6 out of these 9 numbers, we can write any 6. So this answer is also right. So there are two methods of doing this. Whatever method you want to adopt, either n plus 1 method or multiplying it by 10 with numerator and denominator, both methods are right. You can do any one of the method, whatever you want. Now let us do another question. Here the question number 4, find two rational numbers between -3 and -2. Again these two are the consecutive number and we have to find out the two rational number between them. So here the n is 2 and n plus 1 is 3, and here we can see the denominator is 1 because no denominator is given. When no denominator is given, that it means that denominator is 1 and this denominator is same. So here, for finding out the exact two rational number between these two numbers, so what we will do, we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 because 3 is n plus 1. So here we have done the we have made the equivalent rational number like this by multiplying by numerator and denominator by 3. So -3 by 1, if we will multiply numerator and denominator by 3, we will get -9 by 3 as an equivalent rational number of -3. Similarly, for -2, if we will multiply its numerator and denominator by 3, we will get -6 by 3. So these are the two equivalent rational number, and when we will write the numbers in between, these are exactly 2. So this is our answer. If we don't want to do this n plus 1 method, if we don't want to do, so we can do multiplication of 10 by numerator and denominator. In the same way, this method is also right. You can adopt any of the method. Either you can write n plus 1 method or this method. Both are right. So in this method, we will multiply numerator and denominator by 10. Here we have done, and after doing this, we have written the irrational number between them in the decreasing order, and any two rational numbers we can write out of these rational number. So in this way we can do this. Now let us do the exercise 1F, question number 7. 10 rational number between -3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So we have to find out the 10 rational number. So here n is 10 and these two are the rational number. X is this and y is this. Here also the denominator is not same, so LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Here we have made the equivalent rational number where denominator is equal to the LCM. See, we have made these two. So -9 by 12 and 10 by 12 are not consecutive, so we can write the rational numbers in between like this. We will write in the descending order. This is the increasing order, not the we can write in either order, descending or ascending. So in this way we can write the rational number in between, and any 10 we can write. So this is one of the method. Now we will do another question. Here, find the three rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Three rational number we have to find out. So here also the denominator are different. The first step is we will take the LCM and we will make the equivalent rational number where denominator is equal to LCM. Here we have made the denominator 12 here. 3 multiplied by 4, so numerator is also multiplied by 4, so 8 by 12 is the equivalent rational number of 2 by 3. Similarly, for 3 by 4, here 4 is multiplied by 3, so numerator will also be multiplied by 3, so we will get 9 by 12 as a equivalent rational number. Now 8 by 12 and 9 by 12 are consecutive. These are consecutive, लगातार नंबर हैं, ठीक है. So but for finding out the exact three rational number between them, we will do the n plus 1 method. N plus 1 is 4, so we will multiply the numerator and denominator by this 4 and we will get 32 by 48 as an answer. Similarly, for 9 by 12, we will multiply numerator and denominator by 4. We will get 36 by 48 as a equivalent rational number. And in next step, we will write the rational number in between them. Like this, we have written in the increasing order. Now, for this question also, if you don't want to do the n plus 1 method, you can, if you don't want to do this, so you can do the multiplication by 10 method. Like you can do step 2 by multiplying numerator and denominator by 10 also, and write any three numbers in between them. In this way, we have completed the last topic of this chapter. And for today's homework, you have to note down the questions explained above. Only questions and their solution you have to note down in your copy or sheets and revise the same. And the PDF file of this I will attach in the assignment section. So our last topic is over. In next class, we will be doing some revision work.